Hello everyone. My name is Mayank Gupta, and today I am solving a one scenario-based question, which is mostly asked in the interview of the Tableau. So I think this question will give you some clarity on the concepts like LOD and table calculations, how to use these functions in Tableau, and solve the scenario-based questions. So, okay, we can start. This is our scenario. Take regions in rows, sales in text, and find the percent of total. Okay. So we will follow this scenario and find out whatever it wants. So we are taking a region. Then he's saying sales in the text. Okay. So these are the values. And he's saying you have to find the percent of total. So for this, we can use the quick table calculation. In this, we can find the percent of total. Okay. So these are the total percent according to the particular reason. Then he's saying put reason field in the filter. Okay. So we are putting the reason in the filter. Sorry. You just press the control button and drop it into the filter. Okay. So I want to use all these values and apply and okay. Okay. And I want to see these filters, so I will click on show filter. So these filters will come. Okay. Next part is operate the filter and percent of total should not be recalculated and should stick to its original value. Okay, guys. Mhm. What he wants, these values are according to the particular reason. But if I am using this filter, for example, I am clicking on center. Okay. So I am not selecting the center. I just select east, south, and west region. So these value are recalculating. See, if I am click on center, then east percent is 29. But if I am deselecting it, it is 37. So it is recalculating and make it 100. But we don't want it. Okay. We interviewer wants that put one another column in which if you are changing this value, you are using this filter, but this value is not changing. Okay. These same values you can see with the use of this filter. So how you can do this? So the person who is studying the Tableau and using the Tableau, they know we have a one variable of detail function LOD, which is a fixed LOD because we want to fix this thing. Na? Yeah. So we will use the fixed LOD here. So for this, we will make one fixed LOD so that we can make another column and in that this particular value will not change. Okay. So for making the calculated field, we know that create calculated field. I will use the name um, fixed reason LOD. Okay. There are three types of LODs, fixed, include, and exclude. And there is one another LOD, table LOD, but we don't use it so much. So these three are very useful. Okay. So for writing the fixed LODs, we always use the curly bracket. Okay. So just write it. And whatever the LOD you are using, just type the name. Fixed we are using. So just fixed then after that, we need to put the measure dimension name. Whatever the we want to fix it. This is a dimension in. So we want to fix it. Then we will write the name of this particular dimension. So the name is reason. Okay. So this is a reason. Then use the this and use the aggregate function. Sum in this sum, what we want sales. Okay. Okay. But we want to divide this whole thing by another fixed LOD because we want a percentage. Okay. We calculated this thing by the use of the table calculation. So it was so easy. But right now we are calculating, so we have to follow the all formulas of maths. Okay. So fixed in this because in the denominator we just want a calculation of the total sum of sales. So we will just use the sales. Okay, we don't put any dimension in this. Okay, what happened? 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, the calculation is valid. Okay, so just okay and put it into the text, not in text. You can just put it into the reason or 1 minute. Yeah. So we want to change the values in these two things, do two values. So we will use the format function here and use this percentage and okay. So right now we have the values. Okay, so both are same, but what is the difference between these two columns? First is fixed, second is not fixed. Okay, so if you are using this filter, I deselect this center part, so you can see that sorry, this column values are recalculating, but these values are not changing. In this part, it is 29, it is 29, but after this, it is 29, but it is changed. So I think you got the thing, okay, how we can make the another column in this. We can fix the value and second value we are changing according to our filter. So in this particular question, the interviewer will check your knowledge of first three LODs, table calculations, and some format things also. So I think it will give you this thing. It gave you some information about this thing, how to use the fixed LODs. In some part of videos, I will make the videos on the include LOD and the exclude LOD too. So please subscribe my channel. I am new on this YouTube, so I think you will get the idea how to solve this type of questions. It is just an idea. You can implement this thing in the another scenarios wherever you will need. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.